Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have loaded nachos. That's what I'm calling?
That's what I'm calling it, sir.
Loaded nachos. Now family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today, but I'll have one for you tomorrow.
Just wait for it.
So what I have is nachos. I have ground chicken, and I season it with the taco seasoning. You guys know I prefer ground chicken than ground beef. And then I have some Mexican cheese all throughout. I have lettuce, tomato, jalapeno. And then I have some queso blanco that I can pour on it if the hubby wants some. And then we have some sour cream.
Orange cream. We can have everybody cheese.
Sour cream.
We could have everybody cheese.
What kind? Queso blanca?
Yeah, Mexican cheese. You can have everybody cheese.
I don't know what you're saying.
Alright family, I never had this before. But I'm gonna eat it.
I've never had this before either. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I'm being honest, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah,
I'm serious.
Ass. But when I had made the taco,
put it over like this.
Yeah, it's your side. You do what you want to do.
On my side? Oh, you give me she give me a side today. Cause she knows everything I'm doing Yankee thing here, you know. Oh, you done here? So here, family. Talk further. Go.
When I had made the tacos last week, Tamia used some of the meat that was left over. Ooh.
You do that to me too.
And she, you like when I do stuff to you.
Do that.
And she used it to make some nachos. And I'm telling you, the nachos look so good. And she said, Mommy, those nachos were so good. So I was like, I'm making it. And that's why I ended up making it.
It does taste good.
Oh, it tastes really good.
You season the hell out of this chicken.
You have to.
I ain't capping. Alright, for me. Taste test. I did a taste test and it's awesome. I'm gonna give you 2. Cause I know. Here.
Let me hide.
Hi. Focus. Not focusing. Alright, there we go.
There you go.
There we go. Take a bite.
Put some 2 times spicy. You see how the 2 times
try with me. I know y'all eat this already all the time, not me. With 2 times? Okay. You try me? Gotta pull out the grace. First you pull out the 2 times. I gotta pull out the grace to win the race.
I'm gonna try it.
Yes, I put grace on it again, so what? This is good.
It's really good. You know what I like?
Family? For the first time, it's a go.
It's a go. It is good.
Almost like a taco.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know.
It tastes good with 2 times spicy.
So what? Yes, we never had it before, so it's not a big deal.
And we never had it before?
Yeah. So we're enjoying it now.
But if
Is
you
it
know
really a couple? We had never had it before? Damn.
we've been doing YouTube now.
Hold on.
Another month would be a year. And you notice
Is that fast?
we've never had this on our channel.
Wow.
It went by fast, didn't it?
Appreciate y'all for rocking.
Yeah, man.
Let's enjoy the journey. Oh, wow, man. Well, nice enough? I ain't gonna lie. No napkin? You got napkin?
I put it out of my mouth.
You put it on your mouth? You heard her? Ladies, y'all heard? Because only the ladies that watch it first lady. And guys, you better don't say nothing if you're out there watching, sneak watching.
Stop. But I put the people that man.
Family!
The hell?
Before?
Before what?
First they used to have a lot of guys coming and commenting.
Before what?
Before I jumped on the show. Yeah. A lot of guys are coming. I said, that's what they do? I said, yeah. Let me come do mukbang too. Now they sneak away. They're not here no more.
They're here.
They're here, but they're quiet watching, you know? So the sheriff is back in town now. So they sneak away from me. Yes, I'm telling you. Yes, it's true. Yeah. No, Pastor, it's just a lie. Everybody come. No, yes, they was. Okay. I've got something for y'all. I'm here now in the building. It's all good, though, family.
Gosh.
It's all good. You know what the saying say. If a man don't look at your woman ain't popping. And birthday is popping.
I know I'm popping.
That's right.
Thank you.
That's right. Right or wrong, ladies. You know. That's what they saying says. You know what I'm saying?
That's what the saying say.
But how you good, fam? How you doing? Greedy, fam? This is good. Yes, it is.
I don't even know where.
Are you wrong, grab it? No, I need my mom.
What are you saying? Hey, for real, what y'all saying?
Damn, son. It's good.
Yeah, to me it was like, mommy, that was so good. I was like, I gotta try it.
She be putting us on a lot of stuff.
She does.
Damn. The chips and crunchy tuna?
But
All right.
what I like,
Salty.
some of it's crunchy, some of it's soft. Cause I put it in the oven to melt the cheese,
Yeah, go and bite one.
and then I topped it with the tomato. Nice.
It's really good. For my first time eating it, I enjoy it. They saying Richie enjoy every food first lady eat. I sure do. Every first lady eat. When I eat, I talk beer food.
Beer nonsense.
What we got right here, yeah, family?
And Richie talk, when Richie eat, Richie know what he's saying.
Some black people juice. Some of that one. Family. Today was a beautiful day. I get to come enjoy the awesomeness.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
They will never know that. I think
Would
that's
you
it.
be mine?
I would think that's it.
Oh yeah.
They would never know.
They go.
Let's see.
They're gonna know.
No. Say it, Tom.
They're gonna know. They'll never know.
They'll never know.
They're gonna know.
They never know.
They're gonna know.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's see.
I have faith in you, family. That you're gonna know.
Y'all never know. Y'all never know. Let's see if y'all know. Right? Let me tell you, my family member is real. So you know, we got some nosy one, and we got some one act like they ain't nosy.
Yeah.
But we got some nosy one. So we gonna see.
You're gonna figure it out.
What do you want?
Oh,
ice
that
cream?
2-time spicy sauce. Woo. Wow.
This is delicious.
We can't yam that.
You have some leftover? Can I put on chicken salad? Alright.
You even make a dent to your food yet.
I make it. Don't worry, tell one.
I made a dent to my food.
Remember, this ain't no rice or nothing. I'll be your chips this. I'm trying to eat cute.
I see. No fuck.
No fun. I'm trying to eat bird. Here. I'm not gonna push it because I want it to fall. Yeah.
I'm put this on here.
First lady, I will eat this again. Trust me. Yo, jalapeno?
It's hot. So I have jalapeno and Tucson spicy sauce. Yo.
Tweaking.
I'm tripping.
You seen that this chicken good as hell. You're a good chicken seasoner.
Because
How my baby?
I'm good. Not because you're using the taco season, it doesn't mean that you don't season your meat too. I still season it.
You season your meat?
Come on, my meat.
Season my meat good too, you know? Family first day, we season the meat good enough?
You season the meat.
Yeah, man.
Your mind gone too far enough. I don't know where to go. But I do know that this food is delicious.
Good.
I wonder why we never had it.
I don't know. For real.
I don't know.
Very good though, it was worth it. It was worth the wait.
Yeah.
Now, we enjoy it with the family. Okay?
For the first time. This is good for like game night. If you're watching a movie.
Night.
And drop off.
Is it my beard?
And drop off. Eso.
Man, I make blood now. I'm not stush. Can I do shit in the bush?
You know you do.
I can stush family. If it drop, I'm picking it up and eat it. Real talk. This is good. I just want to grab everything and just shove it. How's everything been with y'all?
You just not asking them that?
I think I asked before.
Oh.
Yes, family. I'm saying the same thing, but first I know I'm saying my yes. So I'm saying, when you gonna release the stimulus? Yeah. You keep asking about it.
Remember?
Yeah, they wouldn't know. You got yours? Or you didn't tell me?
Papa's Jim, I don't tell you.
I think first they got hers and tell me now.
You're right. I wish.
Don't worry, family. We deserve it. Everybody deserves it. We'll get it.
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. There's a lot of nachos.
I feel a lot, huh? And they not even helping today.
It doesn't look like a lot.
It's a lot.
When I'm piling it up, it's a lot.
It's a lot. I want them to help. And this can't freeze. Help us. Oh, this is tired of nachos too.
Don't say that.
Family. So they're tired of it, so they ain't gonna help us that much today.
Oh, they probably eat it all the time. Yeah. We don't eat it at all. Even when we go to a restaurant, we've never ordered this like as an appetizer.
Oh, man, that you good?
We always order wings. We love wings.
Yeah, we love the wings. We'll be winged out, son. How you like it, Nachos? How you do it? Let us know. If we decide to try it again, we could try it. That way. Tom. I know, Nacho, you putting up?
Yeah, man. I think I overdid it.
Nacho, them bad doing. Nah, guess why they bad? Every time why I like nachos.
Beer meat.
Bob, yo!
Okay, I don't know you.
Beer meat, that's all I'm not trying to know. If they say I had no meat family, I'd get up a long time and dip. Yeah. This got enough chicken to consume. You're just watching me talk.
Watching me talk about that, make us say. But you love chat about me, so.
First, you know me.
I sure do.
Family. We want me. Everyone, me first to play a game. How much do we know? Want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't like TV. Yeah, I want TV.
Be quiet. You make questions. You make 10 questions, and I come up with 10 questions. And while we eating, when we're doing a mukbang, you ask your question and I ask my question.
Would you like that? Comment down.
I'm curious.
You curious?
A curious man.
Maybe I don't get some of them.
What?
Wow. I'm not gonna turn it off.
Not man.
No, fuck. Alright. Full?
I'm stuffing it in my mouth. But it won't fit.
You won't fit? More small. It won't fit though.
My mouth's small.
It won't fit the first lady mouth. Wow. I'm eating my hair. I gotta go trim it. Well, we're in 2020, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 2025 I'm done to graduate. I'm cutting up every day.
I truly think that.
2025, because every time I start get back.
You cut up everything like what, your beard?
My dreads.
Not your beard. No.
Family, if you're rocking with us, 2025, I'm chopping everything off.
Not your beard.
Nope.
Nope. That's not gonna work.
I had my dreads for 14 years.
You can't cut your beard.
I need a new look.
Your beard is new.
Get some wave at first, they get seasick.
You guys remember that? In high school? For the older family members, my seasoned family members. Guys used to walk around all day with a brush, brushing their hair.
Business, dog.
All day.
Phil. Real talk.
Well, in New York, that was everywhere. Everybody had a brush. Every guy had a brush.
Your wave gotta be spinning. If your wave ain't spinning, you ain't popping.
I see.
I had a wave one time, but it wasn't popping. They wasn't spinning like that. There's a day where they were just a little bump. There was bumps. There was a merry-go-round in a circle. Mine was just a little hump.
But
light. It was light though.
It was light. But you have to cut your hair off. Richie used to have braids. And child.
Tell the story.
When Richie used to ask me to braid his hair, I used to dread it. I'm gonna tell you why. Richie ear is short, you know?
Only one bar.
In the middle. So when I'm there braiding, yo, I have to take breaks. My hair would be burning. His hair would be cutting up my hand. But because I love him, I do it anyway.
First lady was torture my dress. She used to get complaining about my damn shit. That shit was short though, I ain't gonna lie.
His hair was short. And then he said, when we moved to Florida, he's gonna cut his hair. I said, thank God.
You I cut it off to come down here, remember? I cut it off. I had braid for a minute. I mean, I even had S-curl, like Jerry curls one time. I look like genuine. S-curls in junior high school.
Really?
Yeah, it's like...
I didn't see a picture of that.
You know what? Yes, when I graduated... I think when I graduated from elementary, I had S-curl too.
Where's the picture?
I think I have a picture that my mother sent to me. Mom, if you're watching this, send me that graduation picture. I'm in a white suit. I'm in a white, and my mother had a black suit. And then I was graduating from elementary.
I gotta look at it again. Maybe I don't remember.
No, it's there. I think I had S-curls. Yeah, I know what S-curl is. Comment down. It's just like Jerry curls. You know, up to this day, I still send those out.
Ice girls?
Yeah. Alright, family.
People still wear them?
I'm gonna buy them to me after them.
Whew.
Not your full me up.
I'm full now.
It's there though. I had curls though. I made Jerry curls, so I look like Genuine in that picture. And I ain't gonna show them my Genuine picture now. I ain't gonna look. I ain't gonna show my picture.
It's my picture. It's my picture.
Whatever. Extra, you going to right and you still can buy it.
I can't believe that. Who uses that though?
The guys, for the guys. That's good for guys. Jerry curls for women. You never Jerry curl here before? Oh.
If I had Jerry curls,
Family.
My friend did.
Really?
Just let your soul flow, baby. What song is that from?
Love and Basketball.
Yeah, I should know. Just let your something shine through. And then, what's it called? Soul Flow. Something like that. But it's from a famous movie, and it's just so funny that part 2 is out. If you guys know that movie,
wow!
Stop. Yo, what?
Almost forgot. Y'all almost didn't miss out talking about this delicious food right here.
It's not funny.
Got first day today. Family. I reached my limit, family. Not to the full meal, but not like.
We ate a lot.
Tell us we put a dent in it. Calm it down.
Come on.
Family, first lady. Listen up. Family, keep going. Difficult roads can lead to beautiful destinations. Right or wrong?
That is true, because you were very difficult when I met you.
So you have to put me like you love you up. You don't say love chat. Something you never chat, you chat to the my youth. You chat too much sometimes.
You were very difficult when I met you. But you're beautiful now.
You're difficult now. You
have a little bit more to go.
Family, back to you. Keep going. Difficult roads can lead to beautiful destinations. Just remember that. So, keep on pushing straight gas, okay? Don't let nobody say you can't do that. You know what I'm saying? When I meet first lady too, it was some difficult times.
It was.
Everything ain't perfect, you know? But now we're still together 19 years after. Still get on my nerves.
I still get on
Everybody
nerves.
argue. There's no perfect relationship.
Teeth and tongue of the catch.
Exactly.
What that means is you're gonna argue.
Exactly. So we argue, get over it, and keep it moving. I get mad. You know that already. Don't mess with my food. All right.
Oh, God.
We appreciate y'all.
At least you can admit it.
I do. We shared with y'all. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. First lady, Richie, a.k.a. I'm not going to say it. But you already know. For day ones, you already know. But real talk, if you're watching, just subscribe right now. Yeah, reach as far as subscribe and come join the conversation /show where we talk about anything. Yo, don't say that.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.